Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about herbal excipients. Syllabus of herbal excipients as market overview, herbal excipients, significance of substances of natural origin as excipients, examples of different excipients as colorants, sweeteners, binders, diluents, viscosity builders, disintegrants, flavors, and perfumes. What is excipients? Pharmaceutical excipients can be defined as non-active ingredients that are mixed with therapeutically active compounds to form medicine. In short, excipients do not have any therapeutic value, but they are essential to prepare elegant preparation or to prepare dosage form. The ingredients, which is not an active compound, is regarded as an excipient. Excipients affect the behavior and effectiveness of the drug product more and more functionality and significantly. The variability of active compounds, excipients and process are obvious components for the product variability. Means excipients help to convert drug into a suitable dosage form. What is significance of natural excipients? These polymers, such as natural gums and mucilages, are biocompatible, cheap, and easily available and are preferred to semi-synthetic and synthetic excipients because of their lack of toxicity, low cost, availability, soothing action, and non-irritant nature. First excipients, that is colorants. Colorants and dyes are prepared synthetically, but they have so many side effects. That's why natural colorants are used to prepare formulation or dosage form to avoid side effects of semi-synthetic and synthetic agents. Highly colored substances found in plants and animals. A dye and pigment differ in respect that dye is actually absorbed by the material when applied to fibers to give it a permanent color which is resistant to the action of light, water or soap. A pigment, on the other hand, is only applied to the surface. The colored compounds are known as chromazone and bear chromophore group and or oxochrome capable of absorbing light in the near UV regions and appear as colored substance. So these are the different examples of natural colorants, means they are found in herbs or the plants. So see first anthraquinone type of dyes or the pigments. Examples of anthraquinone dye or pigments or colorants: Dactylopius coccus means cochineal, so that is animal source. So carminic acid found red in color, so that obtained from cochineal insect. Another example, Rubia tinctorum madder compound means dye or colorant, that is alizarin. It also occurs in red color. Next example of anthraquinone type of dye, Coccus lacki means lac. Again, this is the insect. Lactic acid, that colorants found red in color, that obtained from that lac insect. Come Elysis means cellulose, carmicic acid, that found scarlet in color. So these are the examples of anthraquinone type of colorants. Then naphthoquinones, Lawsonia inermis, Hina means mehendi, Lawson, that is active compound, found orange in color. Lawsonia alba is another species. Juglans regia, walnut, Juglans nigra is another species. These species are used to obtain juglone. It occurs brown in color. Lithospermum erythrozoon Ciconin that found violet in color that obtained from the cicon. So these are the examples of natural colorants. So another examples, carotenoids, capsicum annum means mirchi, that capsanthin found orange red in color, then crocus sativus, saffron, crocin that is the active compound means colorants found yellow orange in color, Tagetes erecta, lutein yellow in color, Bixa olena, anato means seeds that part use to get or to obtain bixin. It occurs yellow orange in color. Then another group, indole derivative, murex, brandaris, mollusk, and the active compound bromoindogotine. It occurs Tyrian purple in color. Indigo tinctorial, indigotine, it occurs blue in color. So another type, oxindole glycoside, example beta vulgaris, beta root, betanin, it occurs red in color. Diaryl heptanoids, curcuma longa means turmeric, curcumin that occurs yellow in color, and benzopyrones, hemotoxylone, logwood, hematin, and that occurs black in colors. First, Hina, source dried leaves of Lawsonia inermis family, Lythraceae, geographical source North America, India, Sri Lanka, then constituents phenolic glycosides, coumarins, xanthin, flavonoids, fats, resins, hinatannins. So all these are the active constituents. Coloring matter lawsone, which can be extracted from the leaves by sodium bicarbonate. Lawsone is 2,5-dihydroxy-1,4-naphthoquinone. So it is used to dye protein fibers in an orange shade in conjugation with dihydroxyacetone as a sunscreen agent. So another example of turmeric, it obtained from the dried roots and rhizomes of Curcuma longa, family Zingiberaceae, geographical source subtropical region. It contains a yellow natural pigment, so that is curcumin. That color changes so upon treatment with alkali to reddish orange. Constituents 5% curcumins and its derivatives, which are diaryl heptanoid compounds of dark yellow color. Curcumin, dismethoxycurcumin, and bis-dismethoxycurcumin. So these are the active constituents of turmeric. Used principally as constituents of curry powder, it imparts dark yellow color to food preparation. A tincture is used for the preparation of turmeric paper, which is used as a taste for boric and the borates. Curcumin is used as a yellow coloring matter, but the color is fugitive in solution. So another excipients, natural sweeteners. Sweetening agents either evoke sweet taste or enhance the perception of sweet taste. Natural sweetening agents are preferred over synthetic sweetening agent since they do not have any adverse impact on health. So everybody know natural sweeteners are more safe as compared to synthetic one. Synthetic sweeteners have suspected carcinogenic property and have so many adverse effect or shows adverse impact on health. Two types of sweeteners are available: natural sweeteners of plant origin and artificial or synthetic sweeteners. Non-saccharide natural sweetening agents are low caloric, non-toxic, and super sweet, 100 to 10,000 times sweeter than sugar in nature, and can overcome the problems of sucrose and synthetic sweeteners. Natural sweeteners are useful sugar substitutes for diabetic patients. The active sweet principles stored in plants can be grouped under terpenoids, steroidal saponins, dihydroisocoumarins, dihydrochalcones, proteins, polyols, volatile oil, etc. in nature. Nutritive sweeteners, example sorbitol, mannitol, xylitol, lactitol, mixture of glucosyl sorbitol and glucosyl mannitol, fructose. Non-nutritive sweeteners, example aspartame, saccharin, cyclamate, asulfame K and elitame. Plant-based natural sweeteners as steviocyde, glycyrrhizin, neoaspiridin, thaumatin, monelins, sucralose. So examples of these natural sweeteners with their source: stevia, ribedona, family composite, compound steviocyde and riboside. Glycyrrhiza glabra, family Leguminosae, compound glycyrrhizin. So that is 50 to 100 times more sweeter than sugar or sucrose. Citrus, Aurantium, family Rutaceae. Example neoaspiridin and dihydrochalcone, near about 330 times more sweeter than sucrose. Thaumatococcus danieli, family Marantaceae, that obtained from fruit aril, thaumatin, near about 3500 times more sweeter than sucrose. Dioscoriophyllum cuminceae, Menispermaceae is the family monelins, 2000 times more sweeter than sucrose. Semi-synthetic example sucralose, near about 600 times more sweeter than sucrose. Stevia, it obtained from a plant Stevia ribedona, geographical source South America, Brazil, Japan, China, Taiwan, Thailand, Malaysia. The dried leaves of the plants, the water extract of the leaves and the purified ingredients of the extracts are used as sweetening agent. Steviocyde can be isolated from the leaves of stevia by extraction with water or water ethyl alcohol mixture and further purified by treatment with calcium or magnesium oxide or magnesium bicarbonate. The ratio of ribondonoside A to steviocyde can be increased by extraction with methanol. Two compounds isolated and purified from aqueous extracts are steviocyde and ribondonoside A. Both these compounds are diterpene glycoside. Steviocyde is 160 to 170 times sweeter than sucrose. Its sweetness is tainted with a bitter and undesirable aftertaste, but its wide use in Japan for over 20 years did not produce any known deleterious side effects. In USA, the FDA allowed the use of stevia as a diet supplement but not as sweetener or an ingredient of food. Steviocyde and ribondonoside A give rise to its principal steviol and which has been reported to be mutagenic. Means steviocyde having mutagenic property. So that's why limitation to use steviocyde and ribondonoside A as a sweetening agent. Steviocyde, the more important product, is used as tabletop sweetener in confectioneries, soft drinks and fruit products. The sweetness intensity of ribondonoside A is approximately 1/3 higher than that of steviocyde, and its taste characteristics are also superior, but it is unstable and gets decomposed to light. Another example of sweetening agent, neoaspiridin dihydrochalcone. Source, it's a flavonoid compound present in bitter orange, citrus, Aurantium variety Amara, family Rutaceae. Neoaspiridin dihydrochalcone is obtained by hydration of neoaspiridin under alkaline conditions. So orange peel is the source of neoaspiridin and dihydrochalcone. Then it is also produced from flavonoid narangin, present in peels of several other citrus species. Though neoaspiridin dihydrochalcone is prone to hydrolytic cleavage of glycosidic bond, its stability is acceptable under food processing and storage condition. It's about 330 times sweeter than sucrose. Neoaspiridine diethylchalcone is characterized by pronounced methanol-like aftertaste which limits its use and allows it to make only a partial contribution in food and pharmaceutical industry. It acts as synergistically with number of other sweeteners. Example, asalfame and aspartame can be used in very small quantities in blends with these sweeteners. It is used in confectionery products, chewing gum, in beverages and dairy products. In addition to sweetness, neoaspiridine diethylchalcone has flavor enhancing properties in a variety of foods and other products. So another class of excipients, natural building agents. Binders are agents used to impart cohesiveness to the granules. This ensures the tablet remains intact after compression. Binders are added to tablet formulation to impart plasticity and thus increase the interparticulate bonding strength within the tablet. To hold various powders together to form a tablet is a binder. Fillers usually do not have good binding capacity. Binder is either added in dry mix or mixed in granulating liquid. Binder form matrix with fillers and drug embedded in it. Upon drying, solid binder forms glue which holds the particle together. The wet binder is the most important ingredient in the wet granulation process. Most binders are hydrophilic and most times soluble in water. Different advantages of natural binders as low toxicity, biodegradable, availability and low cost. It can also modify the release of drug, thereby influencing the absorption and subsequent availability or bioavailability of the incorporated drug. Increase stability, precision and accuracy of dosage form. Improve the organoleptic properties of the drug where necessary in order to enhance patient adherence. In short, it helps to prepare elegant preparation and get good therapeutic effect. Disadvantages of natural binders. Over time, they occasionally lead to tablet hardening and a decrease in dissolution performance. When polymer binders are chosen, the addition of strong disintegrants such as super disintegrants is typically required, but these are considerably expensive and have a negative effect on product stability as well as film coating appearance of the finished product. Example, plant starch, pre-gelatinized starch, gelatin, plant gums. Example, Acacia tragacanth. Acacia. It is dried gummy exudation from the stems and branches of Acacia arabica. Family Leguminosae. Geographical source India and Arabian countries, Asian countries. It occurs white or yellowish in color, spheroidal spears, powder, granules, or odorless and bland taste. Solubility 1 in 20 of glycerin, 1 in 20 of PEG, 1 in 2.7 of water, practically insoluble in alcohol. It contains arabinose, galactose, rhamnose, etc. These are different chemical tests. Powder that treated with lead subacetate, it shows gelatinizes, or gel. Powder plus ruthenium red shows no pink color. It doesn't show pink color, so indicate that the that is acacia gum. Incompatibilities with ferric salts, amidophyllene, apomorphine, borax, basic lead acetate, cresol, ethanol, morphine, phenol, tannin, thymol, gelatin, vanillin, etc. Method of sterilizing, autoclaving. Then tablet binder 1 to 5% used as a suspending agent, 5 to 10% used as a emulsifying agent, 10 to 20% mucilage thickeners. Storage in airtight container in cool and dry place. So another example of binder, gelatin, gel form, Puragel, gelatina. So these are synonyms. A protein obtained by partial hydrolysis of animal collagenous tissue like bone, skin, tendon, and ligaments. It occurs yellow umber color. Then with characteristic odor in the form of flakes, sheets, shreds, powder, or granules. Properties: gelling strength 150 to 200. Solubility: practically insoluble in water. Most of organic solvents, fixed oil, and volatile oils. Soluble in hot water, glycerol, and acetic acid. In 5 to 10 times water forms gel below 34 to 40 degree Celsius. Use preparing suppositories, pastilles, pessaries, paste. Absorbable gelatin sponge used as a hemostatic, used as a emulsifying agent, then also used as a vehicle for injection. Manufacturing of hard and soft gelatin capsule, tablet binder, stabilizer, thickener, 2% mascara preparation. Storage, it place in a tight container in dry place. So another excipients, natural diluents. Diluents are often added to tablet formulation for secondary reason like to provide better tablet properties such as to provide improved cohesion, to allow direct compression manufacturing, to enhance flow, to adjust weight of tablet as per dye capacity. It should neither support microbial growth in the dosage form nor contribute to any microbiological load. It should neither adversely affect the dissolution of the product nor interfere with the bioavailability of active pharmaceutical ingredients. It should preferably be colorless or nearly so. Means it should be inert. It should not react with the drug substance, and moreover it should not have any effect on the functions of other excipients. Should not have any physiological or pharmacological activity of its own. It should have consistent physical and chemical characteristics. It should neither promote nor contribute to segregation of the granulation or powder blend to which they are added. It should be able to be milled in order to match the particle size distribution of the active pharmaceutical ingredient. In short, it should not affect adversely or the dosage form in all sense. Means it help to prepare elegant preparations and for better therapeutic effect. Example: lactose. Source: a natural disaccharide consisting of galactose and glucose obtained from milk of most of mammals. Milk sugar. Lactin is the synonym. It occurs white in color, odorless, and faintly sweet taste. It is stable in air but readily absorb odor. Several varieties of lactose are available: anhydrous alpha, alpha monohydrate, and anhydrous beta. Hygroscopicity: it absorbs insignificant amount of moisture at 25 degree at relative humidity up to absorb 90%. Solubility: freely soluble in water while practically insoluble in chloroform, ethanol, and ether. It may sterilize at 105 degrees Celsius by dry heat. Diluent uses: diluent in tablet, capsules, dry powder inhalations. Used in combination with sucrose to prepare sugar coating solution. So another example: diluent mannitol. Source: saccharine exudation from the stem of Fraxinus omus family Olaceae, a hydrolytic alcohol obtained by isolation from mannaceae. It can be obtained chemically by reduction of mannose. It occurs white crystalline, odorless, non-hygroscopic and sweet powder. The melting point is 166 to 168 degrees Celsius. It is freely soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. Its specific gravity is 1.52 and optically inactive or slightly low rotatory. It used as a sweetening agent and 10 to 19% weight by weight as a diluent. It doesn't get absorbed by GIT. It is not metabolized and is eliminated by glomerular filtration. So it can be used as a diagnostic aid or agent. Method of sterilization: well closed, well filled container. Thank you one and all.